In this video, we will show you how to get $1,000 credit from Microsoft for Startup. Okay, this is very useful if you want to creating a free VPS or order a new domain name. How to do that? First, you need to open foundershub.startups.microsoft.com. If you hard to type this website, you can just find on the Google. Okay, I will open here and try to open directly. Okay, this Microsoft for Startup will give us $1,000 in Azure credits. Okay, like I just say, it can be ordered to use VPS or to use domain name. Okay, in here we can click sign up, but before that, you can also read the eligibility criteria here. Okay, after you read all of this, you can try to apply. The requirement is you need to using personal account, not works or school account, just using personal. Okay, type your email address here. Okay, I will click next. I will type my password. After type the password, you can click next. You can click no to not stay stand in. Okay, in here you can see there is unlock $1,000 Azure credits. You can try to click redeem now. You can fill all of these requirement, your country, first name, middle name, last name, phone number, and address. Because this is privacy for us, I will hit this and we will go to the next step. I will next the video. Okay, I will pause this. After you fill all the form, you can click next. Now you need to input the payment information. Okay, this is also privacy for us. We will censor this. After you fill the payment information, you can just click sign up here. Now you can click next. We can send a code to our mail address. Now we successfully get the credit from Microsoft Azure and click get started. Just this. Okay. And this, for example, we can click next and click start the tour. Now you can see there. This is very happy to get $1,000 from Microsoft for Startup. We will explore this later, like creating a virtual machine or the domain name or another. That's all tutorial how to get $1,000 from Microsoft Startup. Thanks for watching.